$1,000 grants. Majors at 675. Just hit a minor for 100. Slot Brothers, please like and subscribe. Really need you to like and subscribe. Appreciate everybody watching. Hope everybody's having a great day. We need something good. Another mini for 20. Come on. All right, that's a good one. Come on, do it. Ooh, last spin. Can you save it? Nope. We got some of our money back. 2-cent denom, $5 bet. All right, let's keep going. I was betting 20 and oh here just 5 on that other one. I was $1,000 in. Didn't on a 2-cent denom. Yeah, I was betting higher on the other machine, but it would not give me anything, and I chased it and chased it and chased it. I hope everybody's having a good day, good night, good afternoon, whatever it is. Let's get, ooh, just needed one more of those. Went right by. We're still gonna bet 5. Come on. Let's get some more orbs. Let's get a whole bunch of those camel guys up all the way across. Come on, do it. Oh, there you go, that would have been good. I'll just save this a little bit. Let's do the Great American Comeback. Come on. Get some camels too. One more. All right, so that gives us the bonus, and we pick either we get a bunch of wilds or we get the hold and spin. And you all know what the coins do. A little bit. Come on, do it. $26. Come on there, palaces. Are you gonna shut down like the last machine? As soon as I hit something, you just can't keep playing, it looks like. Or did I speak too soon? Come on, prove me wrong. Come on, do it. One more. Come on. Come on, do it. One more. We got it. We got it. Now to pick the right one. You guys, please hit the like and subscribe. Please subscribe. It really helps our channel out a lot. All right, let's go for this one. Let's see what it does. Oh, 9 games, 100 added. Not the best one. It's better than the 25. bucks. Ooh. That helped a lot. I'll take it. One more. All right, kept us in the game. Let's get the orbs. 12 bucks. Come on, let's do it. Come on, you can do it. $17 on that hit. Come on, 3 more. Come on, do it. So close. More. So I was betting a lot more on another machine down there, the Peacock Princess. Had a big major on it, so I thought maybe if I feed it, it would hit something. Put in $1,000. I did not get crap, and that's typical for where we're at. We're in Mesquite, Nevada, and it's kind of a small casino, but they don't have much choice. They don't have a high limit here, and when you do play a lot of the bigger bets, they just don't seem to just do anything, because then your lines go down to 5. We're playing 50 here, but when you start betting more, you just don't have the lines. You only get 5. 1 more, 2 more. Sorry. Come on. All right, let's do some $10 bets. See if that does anything. Looks like it's just gonna mess with us the rest of the way. Come on, we got 50 lines. We can do something. Come on, give me those. Would have been nice. It's nothing. Come on. As you all can tell, I'm getting my butt kicked. Come on. Last 2 spins. Save it. Come on. Guess what? We can't. That sucks. What a crappy session, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the Slot Brothers. See you on the next one.